For the King of Beasts, you will need the orange and the not so orange. I don't use yellow, but I use the marigold. And by marigold, I mean goldenrod, or by one of those colors, I mean the slightly yellowish orange. Blow that up with a little bit of length at the end. We're going to give that a little twist and a turn. We're going to make a 1, 2, 3 1-inch bubbles. We're going to take the nozzle, pull that slightly tightly around there, pull that through. Then we're making another 1-inch bubble. Then we're going to ear twist, or a pinch twist, so that we get the bottom lip, the two sides of the nose. We're going to make the side of the head, an ear twist for an ear, top of the head, and ear twist for the other ear. Then we're going to make the other side of the head so that he is not lopsided. Give that a nice little twist. Pull that in there, and then we're going to make a neck, a front leg, another front leg, a body, and then his back legs, followed by this amazing thing we like to call a jumping kitty. Excuse me for a moment. Okay, I found him. Okay, there's our kitty cat and the other balloon I lost. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our kitty cat and we're going to say, man, you are not as vicious as King of Beasts. So we're going to add you a mane. You know, Simba had that problem. He had to go off and live in the forest with a smelly pig and a... What was that? I don't even know what the other animal was. But he had to live with him for a while, so he grew his mane. So basically we're going to make it and take orange, lay it up on the side, twist it in the ear. And then it's crazy how much this actually looks like the little Simba. But not like Simba, like the real Simba, like Simba in the cartoon Simba. This looks like Simba, like Simba Rafiki Simba, like Simba that was drawn on Rafiki's Treehouse Simba. Because, well, apparently the colors that Rafiki used to draw Simba in his movie were not Simba colors. They were like marigold and orange. Because, well, when I look at that, that's what I see. Anyway, but there you go. There's your kitty cat, your lion, your King of Beasts, with quite so little more hair. And we'll give him some little eyelashes, because apparently every King of Beasts has got eyelashes nowadays. And then we're going to give it a couple of little whiskers. And ta-da! Rawr!